Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change permissions to see nearby devices in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our nearby device perms, we have to go to settings first, then we're looking for security and privacy options here. And at the bottom of this menu we have Permission Manager. Allow or deny apps to access features or data on your phone here. And nearby devices. 6 out of 10 applications installed on this phone right now are allowed to access our nearby devices. Here are allowed, here are not. Let's say we don't want Google to see our devices that are around our phone. Do not allow, don't allow anyway. And now our Google is not allowed to see our devices. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.